to make some soft-boiled eggs, and I love soft-boiled eggs, especially after reading my friend Jenna Passaro's new cookbook called The Home Chef's Sous Vide Cookbook. She has so many amazing recipes in there, and one of them is these eggs. So let me show you how to make them. Okay, so my sous vide preheated the water in this pot to 194 degrees, and then I put in the water, once it was preheated, 8 eggs, and they're going to cook for about 8 minutes, and then I'll take them out, put them in an ice bath, and literally that is it. It sounds so fancy, but sous vide is actually so easy and such a great way to help you meal prep for either breakfast or snacks or literally anything. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes in the sous vide at 194 degrees F. And I'm just taking the eggs out one by one and putting them into this ice bath so it can fully cool down. Okay, so the eggs are just going to be in here for a little while, like 5 or 10 minutes, and then you can peel them and you can use them pretty much on anything. But what's really great is, I mean, while sous vide sounds so fancy, I think actually it would be a great option since Mother's Day is coming up and you probably won't be able to go out and get a reservation. So get a sous vide machine and learn how to do some really easy but fancy looking recipes for Mother's Day, because who wouldn't get their socks blown off by having a gourmet meal at home? FYI guys, these sous vide soft-boiled eggs are incredible. They are so creamy and delicious. Oh my gosh, so good.